Come home to a picture-perfect 4K Ultra HD cinema experience. Featuring Dolby Vision and HDR10 for incredible viewing detail and clarity. Built with an anti-vibration construction for clear sound. Play almost any disc and file format or stream from a host of popular streaming services. Stunning picture with 4K upscaling up to 60p. Connect the X800 Mark II to your favorite pair of headphones via Bluetooth connectivity to enjoy a more private viewing experience. Hear more detail with high-resolution audio, Dolby Atmos, and DTSX. Control your content with an intuitive menu and interface. The Sony UBP X800 Mark II 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player. See the unrivaled visual clarity of 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray. Built with a premium frame to reduce operation noise. Discover new depths of realism with true 4K HDR playback. All your entertainment in one place. Stream movies and shows in 4K. Play most high-definition video and high-resolution audio formats. Designed to be heard together, the X800 can send audio to your TV via HDMI and to a wireless home theater speaker over Bluetooth at the same time. Get real theater sound in your home with Dolby Atmos and DTSX compatibility. Control your content with an intuitive menu and interface. The Sony UBP X800 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player.